A circular saw track and guide is an excellent tool for cutting large plywood sheets, while a miter saw or table saw is typically used for precise cuts on smaller pieces like trim and stock. But if you don't have access to a miter saw or table saw, don't worry. This step-by-step DIY tutorial will show you how to make a circular saw crosscut jig. A must-have addition to any woodworking workshop, this easy DIY project is perfect for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. With minimal materials and tools, you can build a simple and effective crosscut jig that ensures accurate, straight cuts every time. Whether you're working on furniture, cabinetry, or other DIY woodworking projects, this jig will save you time and effort while improving your precision. In this guide, we'll show you how to build a crosscut jig for your circular saw, DIY woodworking tips and tricks to achieve accurate cuts, how to turn your circular saw into a versatile precision tool, a budget-friendly solution for those without a miter or table saw if you're looking to upgrade your DIY woodworking tools. This homemade crosscut jig is a game changer. Follow along with this tutorial and see how easy it is to create a tool that will enhance your workshop and take your woodworking to the next level. Perfect for anyone searching for how to build woodworking jigs, DIY circular saw projects, or affordable woodworking hacks.